Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is: the letters of the word mathematics are rearranged in a random order. What is the probability that the letters H and S have exactly 3 letters between them? As there are 11 letters in the word mathematics. Okay, in which 2 M's, 2 A's, 2 T's and 1 each of H, E, I, C, S are there. Okay. Now, total arrangements of the letters in the word mathematics is given by 11 factorial divided by the letters which are repeated, means 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So it is 4,989,600. Okay. Now, with H and S removed, we can observe with H and S, means if we remove H and S, there are just 9 letters, but 3 repeating letters are still present. Okay. So 9 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial, that is, there are 45,360 arrangements. With H and S removed from the word mathematics. Okay. Now, putting H and S into given arrangements, so we could have, means the arrangement is like this: 0, H, in between H and S 3 letters will be there, and before H there will be 0 letters, and after S there will be 6 letters, or before H there will be 1 letter, and as we have given in between H and S there are 3 letters, and after S there will be 5 letters, like that. 6 letters before H, in between H and S 3 letters are there, as we have seen in the question, and there will be no letter after S. So here there are 7 ways to insert the letters back in. There are 7 ways to insert the letters back in. Okay. Same number of ways to do with S to the left of H. Means like this. Here will be S and here will be H. Okay. Hence, total of 14 into 45,360 means 635,040 arrangements. Where H and S have exactly letters, have exactly 3 letters between them. Is given by, here we have seen that the letters of arrangement 635,040 divided by total arrangements means 4,989,600. So it will be 14 divided by 110. So correct option is option A.